This photo is a week of me and the cooking chili. Here's how I make it. I started by browning some corn because it just makes sense. Duh. I went to the store to get some chorizo. My local grocery store only had chourico. I know, me too. I wasn't entirely sure what the difference was, so your girl had to hit Google. Anywho, here's the chourico cooking, but really just browning because come to find out the difference between chorizo and chourico are that while chorizo is raw, chourico is smoked. Once brown, I set that aside because not a single person around me is simple enough for me to live my soft girl era in the kitchen. And while I'm still in the business of pleasing my people, I'm also in the delusion of having it my way. So I dumped all of my aromatics and veggies into my chourico crumbs. Game changer. Added my ground turkey, let it cook, then I started to add the seasonings: chili, cumin, paprika, chipotle, ancho, salt, pepper, garlic, onion, cayenne, all of the peppers and powders. Don't ask me how much of what. You figure that part out because ain't nobody got time to dictate somebody else's palate. All I can tell you is that it was so bomb, someone already challenged your girl to a chili cook-off. And well, I'm down because who is scared of your mama? But back to these seasonings. It's easy to figure it out because this is something you can taste as it cooks, and you can adjust your seasoning. Unlike bacon, because you really have to commit, and if you have commitment issues, take it slow, honey. Don't marry her just yet. Recipe will be in the caption. Follow for more.